Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Never know. The answer's never know.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, sir?
Good, good.
Jacob Vile?
Yeah, I know. Definitely, I
Yes,
know
sir.
you for sure.
Oh, nice. This is
Thank
a
you.
unique style. You got in the port a little dog bone
Yeah,
or
for sure.
something.
Yeah,
All right,
skeleton.
sorry.
Yeah, man.
So what's your name? What's in here, man?
My name's Ro, man. I got two massive 15s on 8K on a fourth order wall.
Okay.
And I got some massive highs in the doors and things
Okay.
of that nature.
Who built this?
My buddy Matt Wilson. Matt Wilson boxes, man. He's a monster for sure.
All right. Do you know the box specs or the tuning or anything?
It's tuned to 36 hertz.
Okay.
So yeah, it does really good there.
Looks like the subs are inverted.
Yes, they are.
Right in there. All right. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go. So what's your electrical, your battery, and all
Man,
that?
I have a 73 amp hour lithium, and then I have 370 alternator on there.
All right. Is there a way I can see the amp?
Yeah, absolutely.
Nice. What is your amp wire to?
It's a wired. I'm roughly at a half ohm.
Okay. Did you how much cubic space did you get told? Do you know your gross inside of the car?
really
That's a really
don't.
hard question.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's all good.
Do you have any idea?
The sealed side's about 4 cubes, and the top side is everything else.
Everything else.
Right.
All right. Like a 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1.
Somewhere in that neighborhood. I don't
Alright.
think we quite squeeze 3 to 1 out of it by the time
Yeah.
the subs with the top side, but it's probably 2 to 1.
Okay. Yes, sir. Very nice.
And I don't know, I could be wrong. There could be like 15, 20 cubes up there on the top side.
Yeah.
Gross, you know?
Yes, sir. Awesome. Wait. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. All right, man.
Awesome. That's good.
This one of them ones. Yeah, tonight. Turn me up a little bit more, babe. So I can rock this the right way, bro. Okay. If you got 20/20 vision,
Sorry about that.
It's all good, bro.
I appreciate the demo,
Yeah,
man.
not a
Awesome
problem. I
job, man.
appreciate you, checking
It's
it
pretty
out,
cool. You
man.
have the port. It's weird when it flexes.
Right,
it like
right.
flexes crazy inside of
that's
there, man.
cool, man. I appreciate
Awesome
it.
job. Really good bandwidth too.
Yeah.
So it doesn't fall off when they hit the low frequency.
Yeah,
so.
yeah.
Awesome. Appreciate the demo,
Hey,
man.
man, not a
Yes, sir.
problem. I appreciate you checking me out,
You too,
man.
man. Thank you.